Ben Affleck is reportedly taking significant steps to reconcile with Jennifer Lopez for a compelling reason as they navigate the turbulent waters of their legal disputes following their split. According to some reliable sources, Affleck is deeply focused on supporting his newly produced film, Unstoppable, which also stars J.Lo providing a dramatic backdrop for their complicated relationship that has everyone on edge. An insider indicated that, despite the chaos in their personal lives, both Affleck and J.Lo are dedicated professionals committed to the film's success. This dedication hints at a lingering connection that transcends their marital troubles, suggesting that feelings may still exist beneath the surface. However, the atmosphere remains tense. Affleck notably skipped the highly anticipated premiere of this movie at the Toronto International Film Festival on September 6th, a decision that sent shockwaves through the media and left fans buzzing with speculation. In contrast, Lopez made a stunning appearance at the glamorous event, exuding confidence as she walked the red carpet alongside Ben's closest friend and co-producer, Matt Damon. Her presence only intensified the intrigue, prompting discussions about the status of her relationship with Ben. The situation became even more dramatic with the news that J.Lo filed for divorce on August 20th, 2024, just 2 years after their secret marriage in 2022. This unexpected turn has left fans divided between hope and despair, questioning whether reconciliation is possible or if the pressures of fame and their shared history are too burdensome to overcome. The emotional stakes are rising as both stars juggle their successful careers and the complexities of their personal lives, turning every public appearance into a spectacle filled with uncertainty. As the release of Unstoppable draws near, the tension between Affleck and Lopez continues to captivate audiences, fueling speculation about their future. Will they manage to put their differences aside for the film, or is this merely a professional facade concealing deeper issues? The ongoing saga of their relationship promises to be as thrilling as any Hollywood drama, full of unexpected twists that keep fans eagerly awaiting what comes next. With each new development, the narrative becomes richer and more intricate. Will Ben find his way back into J.Lo's life, or has their bond been irreparably damaged? As rumors of a potential reconciliation circulate, the media frenzy escalates, with every headline revealing more about their complicated lives. The emotional journey of this movie will not only reflect themes of passion and perseverance, but also mirrors the real-life challenges faced by its stars, making it essential viewing for anyone invested in their story. As the world watches, the stage is set for a dramatic resolution that could redefine their relationship forever.